Hey guys, we're just sharpening blades. You got these 50-inch gator mulching blades. Sharpening them up.
Wait, as you can see,
this is 69 welder, man.
No, wait,
half horsepower grinder we got right here.
Oh, I gotta show them our mowers we have.
Oh yeah, we have this Craftsman ZT 7000.
You gotta hold the camera steady.
Can you be quiet for 1 second? ZT 7000, as you can see, 22 horsepower, 50-inch ELS V-twin. And guess what, kids? I don't care what you give a shit. I don't care what you say. It's better than the John Deere
LT110.
No, the Z. What is it? The Z-Track?
Z-Track?
Is that it? Is that what it's called?
What,
the Z-Track? Is it called the Z-Track?
Which one is it called? The one that guy was breaking
Yeah.
out? Oh yeah, that's the Z-Track.
Yeah, the Z-Track. This is better than the Z-Track, kids.
And
fuck you.
It also rails it too.
Then we have the Hustler Super Z, which obviously rates all. And if you don't think so, fuck my ass. What else? It's got this fan, radiator, and
26 horsepower Kawasaki.
Did I just say radar? I meant radiator.
You said radiator. Dude, put the zoom out.
I'm all the way zoomed out. Then we have this NIG thing.
Air filter.
And you can hear that 101.1 the riff.
Alright, now we're gonna sharpen this blade pretty good. Someone took it up, but...
Yeah, someone took it up. I don't know.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, let's go. Shut the hell up. We're at sharpen blades. Not all the way done. We already did the other side of this blade.
Oh, this is really fairly
Sharp?
Yeah, keep doing it till it's really sharp, guys.
I was sharpening a blade earlier and I got a spark in my mouth. And then I spit it out, I spat it out and I could see it.
You keep sharpening this till it goes down.
Yeah, we gotta keep sharpening this till it goes down. 69 welder man here. Hold on, I'm gonna get a good camera view.
I'll stop this. It's really hard now.
Hold on, okay.
Got it?
Wait. Trying to get it close up. There you go.
You got it? Yep. How much does Mark's charge for this?
Mark's Mower Shop at 6 Mile and Northville Road charges approximately it's $20 a blade.
Oh,
I think it's $18 a blade for this shit.
this is what's really... I almost have this, dude. So I can do... What's happening, guys?
The hell?
It's like bent here. It's really weird.
I don't give a shit. This is my lawnmower, by the way, kids. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? What? Oh, God. Alright guys, we're just sharpening our blades, showing you the thing, so I think we're going to go now because we showed you a lot of it. We'll be back later with maybe another tree chopping video. Sorry you couldn't hear me, I said tree chopping video. Alright, see you guys later, Chuckman. Comment, rate, subscribe.